Where are we going?
Capulina Regional Park.
Doon daw. Ako taga-sunod lang. Ah, there goes my rally.
But there's a lot of Filipinos in Hawaii, so...
Of course, I wouldn't be surprised. We're everywhere.
That means fresh water.
Fresh water.
ABC stores in Waikiki.
Wow.
And Moana is ocean.
Yeah. Everything that you need. This is giving me Siargao. Lesser people.
Yeah, there's less
Yeah.
people. And a big feast with the dancers.
With the dancers.
Narito po.
Ay, ang ganda pa namin. Sobrang...
Look, ang daming bird.
Exactly. And I hindi naman totally go with the flow. Pero parang kapag may bagong... ain't it funny? Sarap po. Baka sa gitna lang. Tayo magsabay.
Bibimbap. Dabang coffee.
Ito pa may chef's pick ko.
Thank you for dining with us. Since nag-coffee na ako, hindi na ako mag-start. I ordered bibimbap and dabang coffee. Yan.
I got this.
Ang laki oh, ang laki ng serving. Korean ramen. Medyo over. May nasa lalamunan ko. Hindi ako nagbisisisi sa $32. Sa $34.
Ako nagsisisi sa... Tatlong kimchi.
Hanggang ano lang.